Vinny Creation is here at Vama Gallery and the entire exhibition is happening for 2 days, today and tomorrow. Timings are all mentioned in the caption. Collection में क्या क्या है मैम से जानते हैं.
રક્ષાબંધનના લગતું બધું જ અહીંયા મળશે. રાખડી છે, ચણિયાચોળી છે, ડ્રેસ મટીરિયલ છે, જયપુરી કુર્તી છે, બેગ્સ છે. બેન અને ભાઈનો જે સંબંધ છે એના લગતું ભાઈ બહેનને ગિફ્ટ આપે એ પણ બધા ગિફ્ટ હેમ્પર પણ અહીંયા આગળ છે. બધા જ અહીંયા આવજો.
And for more collections, swipe left.
A very unique Lumba this Raksha Bandhan. This is Labubu Lumba. Look at all the option that this stall has. From Bhaiya Bhabhi Rakhi to various Rakhis, children Rakhi. They also have these evil eye mein kuch different. Everything here is handmade. Look at all the options that they have. रक्षा बंधन में आपको जो चीज़ें चाहिए सारी इस स्टॉल पे आपको मिल जाएंगी. ये कुछ यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है इनका. दिस इज भैया भाभी राखी नहीं, लेकिन दिस इज अ नेकलेस फॉर भाभी. एंड देन दे हैव दिस राखी फॉर योर ब्रदर. दे हैव ऑल दीज आइटम्स जो राखी में आपको यूज में आ सकती है, अलॉन्ग विथ दिस ब्यूटिफुल handmade jewelry options. Look at all those beautifully handcrafted jewelry options, along with some more oxidized jewelry. Look at that, something like this, along with these cute bracelets for friendship day as well. इस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉल में आपको सारी हैंड पेंटेड चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी. ब्यूटिफुल हैंड पेंटेड पेंटिंग्स to some home decor items to these cute pouches. Look at that, something for your home decor. ये सारे आप hangings हैं. They also have these cute sparrows. Look at that. These are again all hand painted. These can be put in garden, at your home, in different varieties, different patterns. Look at that. Beautiful. They also have some butterflies. Look at that. Also, they are into paintings also. तो अगर आपको कुछ customize करवाना है, something like that. Beautiful. Unique bag options at this particular stall. यहाँ पर आपको बहुत ही सुंदर bags के options मिल जाएंगे. Look at that. These are all very good for gifting for your own self. You can carry these at different parties. Look at that. They also have tote bags के options. Look at that. Along with bed sheets है उनके पास, fitted bed sheets है, normal bed sheets भी हैं. बहुत सारे options हैं उसमें. Look at all the options for fitted bed sheets. Look at that. Okay. So this stall right here offers homemade kunafa in various flavors with a lot of options. आप hampers भी करवा सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Beautiful blouse options in different colors, patterns, designs. Look at that. चनिया में भी उनके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, कलर ऑप्शंस हैं, कुछ डिज़ाइन में है. ब्यूटिफुल. लुक एट दैट विथ टैसल्स, डिटेलिंग्स. लवली. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर सम फेस्टिव वेयर, दिस इज द राइट स्टॉल. समथिंग इन मल्टी कलर. लुक एट दैट. ये सारा जयपुरी कलेक्शन है, तो ब्यूटिफुली हैंडक्राफ्टेड, समथिंग लाइक दिस. लुक एट दैट. कलर ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे, पैटर्न्स मिल जाएंगे आपको. लुक एट दैट. दिस इज शिमर टिश्यू. ब्यूटिफुल लहरिया. समथिंग इन आइवरी ऑल्सो. लुक एट दैट. टिश्यू में शरारा मिल जाएंगे, स्कर्ट्स मिल जाएंगे आपको,
उपाड़ा सिल्क स्कर्ट्स.
ब्यूटिफुल. समथिंग लाइक दिस इन वन पीस. अगर आपको पूरा चाहिए फ्लोर लेंथ में तो वो भी मिल जाएगा. along with कुछ simple semi festive looks भी है इनके पास. So something like this with minimal work on it, just minimal work in the neckline, something like this in cotton. Beautiful sari options. Look at that black अजरक प्रिंट साड़ी स्टार्टिंग एट जस्ट ₹500 और वो भी आपको बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस, पैटर्न्स, डिज़ाइंस में मिल जाएंगे. I'll show you few options. Look at that. Beautiful. Something in ikat. Look at that. बहुत सारे options हैं इनके पास. Look at that. Beautiful saree collection. Okay. Some beautiful kada options. These wooden kadas are very much in trend right now, along with a lot of set options. ये सारे बहुत ही क्यूट डेलिकेट सेट है, along with everyday wear सिल्वर में कुछ अगर आपको चाहिए तो ये ऑप्शन है, along with rings and anti tarnish kadas. Look at all the beautiful options that they have. Some cute delicate looking jewelry along with some statement pieces as well. इस स्टॉल पे आपको बहुत सुंदर नेकलेसेस के सेट मिल जाएंगे. Something in choker, something in long. Look at all these options. Beautiful. Along with some earring options as well. Some ear cuffs as well. Something in long. At this particular stall, you will find beautiful jewelry from earrings to some full set, जिसमें आपको earrings मिल जाएंगे. You'll get the neck piece as well. Different designs. Look at that. They also have a lot of options for earrings. Different patterns, different designs. Something in bangles as well. Some more options for earrings. Look at that. These are all a mix of anti-tarnish, brass, oxidized. You can use these for your parties, for some small occasions, gifting purposes. शादी में भी आप पहन सकते हो साड़ी के ऊपर. These are very lightweight also. So नवरात्रि के लिए these are best. Look at that. Something unique, sleek and stylish. Look at that. Paint में अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए. Everything at this stall is just for ₹20. From these beautiful bow clips to some hairbands if you're looking for. Kids hairband भी है इनके पास. Beautiful options. Some pins. Some clutches. Look at that. Hair pins, clutches, hair clips. बहुत सारे hair clips के ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे. Something in cute fur hair clips. कुछ kids के लिए ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा आपको. Beautiful. Look at that. Again, all this at just ₹20. Bracelet भी है यहाँ पे, so if you want something like that. Something in these beads if you're looking for. Hair clips. They also have press-on nails for all the girls out there. So if ये भी option में है. A lot of scrunchies. All for ₹20. At this particular stall, you will find the entire off-white collection from shirts to some chaniya choli options to kurta sets to beautiful blouse options as well to some kids wear. Look at that. I'll show you some options of kurtas. These are all angakha pattern kurtas, anarkali pattern. Look at that. Beautiful. And then if you're looking for shirt options, so वो भी इनके पास है. These are all shirt dresses. Lovely. Something like this with beautiful embroidery on it. Look at that. And they also have these top options with different patterns, sleeves, some kurta options in spaghetti, one pieces.